Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go then. Faster. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now you're cooking with gas. Good. Again. And shot. Woohoo! Okay, one more time. One more time. It goes in. Woohoo! Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Okay, the ball's going to come a little higher now, okay? Whoa, not quite. Not quite. Let's try that again. Good, 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 good. Whoa, that wasn't a dive. You didn't dive. You tried to race the ball by running to it. It didn't work. You got to dive for the ball. Ready? Oh, that was a bad throw. Okay, but you got it. You did good. Okay, here it goes. Good. Okay, one more. This way. Yeah. Whoa! Again. Ready? Good. Okay, punching.
Huh?
Punching. Good. Okay. Two hands. Two hands. Good. Two hands. Okay. Two hands. Harder. Harder. Kick me the ball. Punch. Good. One more, middle of the goal. Position. Regular position. Regular position. Regular position. Like that. Like this. And then you put your hands out and punch. Good. Again. Regular position. Regular position. Good. Take a couple more dives. Whoa, you almost got it. Oh, you saved it from going in the goal. Beautiful. Again. Beautiful. Again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Any other way?
Is the camera turned on right
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Is it filming?
Yep, okay, here comes some high ones. Okay. Some high ones. Catch the ball. Good. Beautiful. Go, good catch. Oh, good bringing it down to the floor. Beautifully done, Tim. Beautifully done. Beautiful, beautiful. That's the way to do it. Okay, so then your turn now to kick the ball at Finn from up here. From over.